Everybody, so we'll be talking about some exciting stuff and some analysis today and see what's going on. And yeah, what's the topic? Very important. So let's check the title: Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu. There you go. I know a lot of you were asking me. I'm getting so many messages, so many emails. So yeah, finally I said, hey, let's do the analysis, let's do the research, bring it right on the table so you guys can make informed decisions. So Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu, who's a good boy? Welcome to Invest Desk. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and we are going to be going through some solid research as to what's going on with SHIB token. I mean, is this crazy or not? So we'll check this out, but let me go ahead and first set up my chat. So give me a moment, as always. So I hope everyone is doing wonderful, fine. It's Wednesday, October 27. We still have 2 more months, the last quarter, because we have so many predictions going on, so many stuff happening in the crypto world. But we'll see how this kind of pans out. But this is kind of important. So I wanted to bring this up now. And the reason why is because, of course, we still have 2 more months for this at least quarter, right? That's what we're focusing on in terms of our portfolio, in terms of our growth. So it's a good time to bring Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu. And of course, the SHIB token is just, it's almost nearing Dogecoin in terms of market cap. So I kind of found it, well, geez, so is it a good time to buy or not buy? But we'll see how it goes. So welcome back to Invest Desk, your #1 channel, of course. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button while you're on. That's the #1 rule here on this channel. I'm just kidding. But thank you all for your support. Certainly appreciate it. All right, so where's my chat here? I'm going to go ahead and set this up as I say hello to everyone else. So hope everyone is fine. And let me ask this question, right? First question. How many of you, or Invest Desk family, or whoever you're here, own SHIB token? All right. So I don't know. Let me know if you own SHIB token. Hit me with some comments before I run the analysis and tell you some good news. Invest Desk is always about good news, right? All right, so what's up, everybody? Fred says, that's why I like Invest Desk. Thank you so much, Fred. Thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. Jake says, let's go, Brandon. Don't let Fauci babysit your dogs. Ezekiel, hey, what's up, buddy? Nice to see you. How are you, my friend? I'm wonderfully fine. Thank you so much for asking, and hope you're doing well, too. You and your crypto portfolio, of course, buddy. Donna, hey, Syed. Hey, Donna is from Australia, by the way, if you guys don't know. Long time. Nice to see you. MM said, I don't have any SHIB. Well, guess what, MM? I'm the same boat. I don't have it either. But after today's research and after today's what we're going to be talking about, of course, we're going to be talking about whether we should buy it or not. I don't know. So I really like your input and see what's going on. All right. Truth 100% says Shiba. All right. Devin, what's up, buddy? Says, I swore I would never buy it, but I did. And I'm pretty happy about it. Well, that's exactly what happens, right? We did this with SafeMoon way back when it started. We did this with Dogecoin. We bought Dogecoin at 7 cents, maybe somewhere around there, at 11 cents. A couple of times we bought it, right, at Invest Desk, and we're still holding. So even at that time, I agree with your comment here. I mean, we thought, well, I don't know, this is just too high of a price, right? But let's get on with the show here, and we'll take a look at, research both. We know Dogecoin. Dogecoin is our baby anyways, right? We have it in our portfolio. We know in and out about Dogecoin. But SHIB token is something we're gonna talk about and discuss further and see, what our research shows right here live. Yeah, I'm going to talk about that and see what's going on. So welcome back to Invest Desk. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And of course, smash that like button, guys. Certainly appreciate that. KB says, I have 50 mil SHIB coins. Not bad. Let me fix up my chat here. Let me do a little pop out here so I can easily talk to you guys while I run the analysis here. Diego says, I wonder how high SHIB will go. Well, that's the question we'll be answering, so stick around. After the analysis, you will know exactly what's going to happen to SHIB and where it's going. All right, so let's see. Let me bring up my other screen so you can see the analysis right here. Without further ado, let's check it out. Boom, there you go. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about here is that Shiba Inu is up over 100% in the last 7 days. Now, this could be because of Bitcoin rally, right? That's one of the reasons. Bitcoin went up from 32,000 to all the way up to, let's say, 64, 68, 69, right? So that could be part of it. But here's the real test, right? That actually has begun. And we'll see what that is. Because even though Shiba Inu is over, this news is just a few hours, by the way. In the last 7 days, here's what you need to know before you invest in Shiba Inu. Great article at CNBC. I want to share this. I'm going to start off with this. And then, of course, after we're done with the rest of the analysis and research, then, of course, you can make your own choice and do your own research, guys, as always, because, like I say, crypto is a crazy, crazy, crazy world. All right, so let me quick get some comments here before I move forward with this. Good vibes says Shiba. Yeah, exclamation marks. Not bad. All right. Hector the dude, what's up, buddy? Says I'm buying more Doge. Yeah, of course, we always buy more Doge. As soon as Doge goes down a little bit, we do our dollar cost averaging and boom, we are Doge family here, of course. Yeah, why not? But we're going to be also comparing now, since Shiba Inu has just jumped up in the market cap. Let me quick get the market cap first so you guys can actually see what's going on right here. So check it out. Dogecoin is at number 9 on the coin market cap ranking, and Shiba Inu is at 11. So the market cap difference is Dogecoin is at about 32 billion, and of course Shiba Inu is at 25. So yeah, it's almost closing up. The only other coin is USD coin in the middle here, right? So it's picking up pretty fast, and that's what we're looking at, guys, right? This number right here, the market cap, so, and of course the ranking too. So all of a sudden, in the last week or two, boom, it's at number 11. It was nowhere to be seen. So that's a positive thing, of course, that goes, to its credit to Shiba Inu token. Why not? We should give credit. All right, let's go back to our analysis here. All right, so Shiba Inu is up over 100%, and before you invest, if you have not already, right? If you've not already, this is a good time to go through this research with me. So, despite its price being low, 1 cent, the meme token, of course, is also a meme token, so that's the same as Dogecoin, has garnered a lot of attention. Shiba Inu now ranks number 11 among the top cryptocurrencies. I just showed you that. It is up more than 111% over the past 7 days. Well, not bad. All right. Here's the funny part. I kind of found it interesting, right? So Shiba Inu, dubbed the Dogecoin killer by its supporters, right, is trailing closely behind Dogecoin, which ranks number 10. So yeah, there's a meme fight going on, guys. I don't know what you think. Do you think it's fair? Do you think they even, they're even comparable? All right, so let me get some comments here. Quick, let's hit me with comments. All right, so Donna says, I believe we all should buy this coin. And it's cheap, and rumor is it that will go on Robinhood. Yeah, I'm going to talk about that too, of course. Yeah, good point. It will fly over the weekend. So yeah, if it hits Robinhood, definitely it's going to be a big boost. It will then cross, if this is true, what Donna comment is, it will definitely grow up. It will just probably pass Dogecoins in terms of market cap if it hits Robinhood. So Robinhood kind of went, in terms of earnings, by the way, that the released is down because they have less new members on their site. But nevertheless, Robinhood is still holding strong. So yeah, thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. Low Roller says, Shiba Inu people only care about money. Dogecoin is about promoting business. To accept Dogecoin as payment, it is a huge difference. InvestDesk, you bet. And I like to highlight this too, by the way. Excellent comment. Thank you, Low Roller. Appreciate that. Because even Elon Musk is pretty much saying the same thing. He's saying, well, look, Dogecoin is people's crypto. It's here to stay. It's backed up, but SHIB is sort of like maybe a pump and dump, maybe a get rich quick. Yeah, could be. We'll see. But hang in there. We'll talk about more. We'll definitely have some more stuff open on all these tabs that I'll share with you. And of course, most of you already know. And if you don't know, then that's something for you to take a look at. All right, great. Loroller says Shiba Inu cannot go up forever. Look what happened to Dogecoin. Yes, going to pass up Dogecoin in market cap. says it looks like it, pretty close. So yeah, it's 25 billion, 32 billion, not that far away. All it needs is a listing on Robinhood, and boom, it's gonna, that's gonna pump if that's the case. All right, so if Shiba Inu hits Robinhood, it could big dump like Saturday Night Live, buy rumors and sell the news. Yeah, that's a good point too. So, and like I always say, guys, crypto is a crazy, crazy, crazy world, right? So you got to do your own research. If you buy the hype, yeah, fine, you'll make some money, right? But guess what? The next day, if it goes down, then you're kind of stuck, right? Well, yeah, so do your own research. But we'll come to that point. All right, let me get one more comment before I continue further. Odinga says the fact that SHIB is on Ethereum network, that could help. Yeah, that's a good point too. And I want to talk about this too, because Shiba Inu was created in August 2020 by Ryoshi. Its name suggests the token inspired by Shiba Inu dogs. Well, of course, it's the meme thing, right? The dogs. So Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based ERC-20 token, which means it's created on and hosted by the Ethereum blockchain rather than on its own blockchain. So Ryoshi decided to launch Shiba Inu on Ethereum because it's already secure and well established, according to the white paper, of course, on their website. You can always check that out. But the experts warn that the ease of launching a project on the Ethereum blockchain means that underdeveloped cryptocurrencies can be launched into circulation at a low cost to a developer. So yeah, there you go. Anybody can hop on the bandwagon, which is either the Ethereum network or even the Binance, and yeah, just start churning out all these tokens, and that's really what is happening. So, and of course we see that, by the way, it's not just Shiba Inu. There's this Flocky Inu, there's this Inu who's all around the place flying, right? And you can see that on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and other sites as well. So it's easier to, of course, launch a token, but does it really have any value, right? The better word is, can it sustain itself like Dogecoin has, right? So there's the number one question for you. Can Shiba Inu sustain itself based on its own value or its utility like Dogecoin has? Yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's continue. But so experts do warn that it's just easy to launch, and that's what happened, right? So what are the risks? Something that you ought to know. Altcoins like SHIB are primarily community-based, meaning the success is largely dependent on the success and growth of its community instead of its utility. And we saw that initially with SafeMoon, we saw that with Dogecoin. But Dogecoin has been accepted all across the globe, guys, as, of course, retail outlets, enterprise companies, even smaller, larger companies are accepting Dogecoin. And that is what is true with Dogecoin as a cryptocurrency. So it started off as a meme token, there's a hype built up, but now it has some utility. So could this happen to Shiba Inu also, right? Over time, maybe it will find its utility as it passes through this particular phase. So that's the second question for all of you guys. So let me know in comments. And yeah, like other coins that are similar to Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or all these dog-based memes, right? They're just coming left and right, and they're associated with Elon Musk or, similar celebrities. All right. So a couple of more important points. What are the risks of buying Shiba Inu? So Shiba Inu supporters argue that its ecosystem, which includes smart contract capabilities, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and opportunities for liquidity mining, to name a few, offer utility beyond community. So that's what we're looking at, right? So these are some good points, of course, because if it finds the utility, and like I said earlier, right, eventually it starts with a hype and there's a huge community behind a certain coin, and then of course, boom, it finds its place. It fits well, right, with other cryptocurrencies. And this NFTs or smart contracts or liquidity mining could eventually be, showing off some utility for Shiba Inu. But nevertheless, the risk is still there. So rather than investing in a surging cryptocurrency based on hype, Brett Harrison, who's the president of cryptocurrency exchanges, FTX US, he recommends looking for crypto assets with specific utility. So there are a number of crypto assets that can be suitable for retail users whose investment prospects can be tied to their ability to provide a store of value to facilitate an efficient mechanism for payment transfers and so on. I don't know. I mean, all these cryptocurrencies, of course, if you look at Dogecoin, it has a utility. It's cryptocurrency. People are using it, right? In terms of buying and selling. With Shiba Inu, we don't know yet. It's still a hype. But the hype is such that it has gained rank number 11, 25 billion, right? So not bad. If you look at the chart, it's at 0.0004 zeros and 66, so up 40% in the last 24 hours. 1.4 million people on the watch list, right? Ranked number 11. So yeah, but that's really what it is. But look, it also goes down, right, to 4.9 based on the chart here. So this is a 1-day chart. If I go to a 7-day chart, it was like, it's just been trading at 2.8 for the most part till the 23rd. And then all of a sudden, with all this hype and news, it's now just, going all the way up, guys, right? So this is really what is happening. So what we're looking for is the fact that even though there are risks associated with Shiba Inu, should you buy it? Should we buy it? Or should we just stick around with Dogecoin? Because Dogecoin, if you look at Dogecoin, let me bring that up quick, is at almost 25 cents, which is down about 8% for the last 24 hours. But if you look at Dogecoin over time, it is certainly more stable, right? And from 7 cents when we bought it, I think it was in February, right? Of this year. So, it went from 7 to 24 cents, 25 cents, and it actually went all the way up to 60 plus cents, almost 70 cents, right? All-time high. So Dogecoin has the potential as more and more companies adopt cryptocurrency, or Dogecoin as cryptocurrency, right? And start to trade. So definitely there's not a real comparison between the two, right? But the way I see it in my analysis, guys, Dogecoin, of course, is a long-term, stable cryptocurrency. And that's what it is, right? It's the people's crypto. That's what the focus is of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu could be a quick, pump and dump, guys. So, hey, I don't want to say it, but that's what it seems like, and that's what it is. Because the next news is it's going to be on Robinhood, for example, and boom, the price is probably going to go from 4066 to maybe losing a zero. So who knows? This is how it is. But at the same time, the risk is, of course, could be the other way around too. So do your own research. That's how I see it. All right. So that's the other part. I want to show you some other news about comparing Dogecoin and, of course, Shiba Inu. And this is at Forbes, by the way, right? So the surprise reason why Tesla and SpaceX billionaire Elon Musk supports Dogecoin over Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So here we go. Even though Elon Musk knows about Shiba Inu, but he still supports Dogecoin. And what's the reason, right? So check it out. The reason is, instead of reading all the article, it's simple. The reason is that it's people's crypto, because Elon Musk, his thoughts behind Dogecoin are the fact that he wants to see Dogecoin as people's crypto, all across the globe. Because according to him, lots of people I talked to on the production lines at Tesla, that's Elon Musk saying, or building rockets at SpaceX own Doge, Musk said in his Twitter. So they aren't financial experts or Silicon Valley technologists. That's why I decided to support Doge. It felt like the people's crypto. So boom, there you go. That's what Elon Musk, says about Dogecoin, and that's how and why he supports Dogecoin. Even, he has a Shiba Inu for himself, well, a Dogecoin for himself, right? All right, so that's the top reason why Elon is supporting Dogecoin. So which means that in the long run, Dogecoin, of course, is going to be huge. No doubt, right? We know that, right? Because Dogecoin is our baby and we have Dogecoin, right? But Shiba Inu, the way it's climbing up, right? At number 11 rank with 25 billion market cap, the circulating supply, and of course its price is very attractive because it's really low. It's 0.000067, right? Even though it's 7-day gains are 150%, and if you bought Shiba Inu way early on, boom, you're already most likely are pretty much or lots in the money, right? But the question is, even today, should we invest in Shiba Inu today or not? So let me see some comments here. What's going on, everybody? So let's see. All right. Donna says, let's see, where is it? Oh, there it is. Dogecoin has been very quiet. I believe it could break out soon. It's been trading sideways too long, like when it was 5 cents, then went to 15 cents overnight. Yeah, it's pretty much sideways for about 24, 25 cents for a long time, and boom, the next jump will take it to at least 60, 70 cents. That's the idea based on historical analysis. So good point, Donna. Something to keep in mind. All right, so Mauricio says, I'm about to triple my money on SHIB. Yeah, of course, like I said, if you bought SHIB way early on, definitely 3x, 5x, or even 10x, depending on when you bought it, right? So that's exactly what we're talking about in terms of buying Dogecoin or looking at investing in Shiba Inu. So thanks for the comment, appreciate it. All right. Loroder says, InvestDesk, are you investing in Shiba Inu? Well, I have not yet. All right, so I've not. Maybe after this analysis, I'll do it. Maybe throw up some money here and there, but no, nothing concrete yet. Just wanted to bring this up to everyone's table and see what you guys think. I like your opinion, see what's going on. But yeah, not yet. But hopefully, you never know. Maybe we'll jump on this bandwagon. But it's really more of a long term, because InvestDesk right here, we invested in Dogecoin, back in February, like SafeMoon back in March, and we held it. So we're all about hodling, right? And if you recall my stream on the annualized return on cryptos, it's crazy. Go check out my stream, guys. It's just crazy. If you just have the patience to hold crypto for 1 year, it doesn't matter which crypto, all right? Go check out my stream. That's going to give you like 10,000% returns, 20,000% returns, all these cryptocurrencies. Just got to have some patience, right? So that's our strategy has been so far, even though I do some pumps and dumps, but that's on my other portfolios, and you guys know that. But we'll see whether we add this particular SHIB to our portfolio or not. As maybe we'll see how it goes. I can't say anything right now. All right, I can see Shiba Inu people will take profit to buy more Dogecoin. Yeah, that's true, because that's a good point, by the way, and that's because people, let's say if you make 3x, 5x returns on a certain crypto, and then you have certain gains, you definitely want to diversify them, right? And that's key with any portfolio investments. So the best diversification strategy would be definitely to go from SHIB to Doge. Boom. Excellent point. Thanks so much. SHIB has decentralized swap and staking as well. Yeah, that's an added benefit to SHIB. Thanks so much for the comment, Ezekiel. Certainly appreciate that. So that's exactly what we're talking about, right? The pros and of course the cons, the long-term, short-term scenarios as to what it is and how you want to invest. So if you're looking to simply grow your portfolio over time. And if you have, let's say, 6-month strategy or 1-year strategy, then of course Dogecoin, you can't beat Dogecoin. But if you have a high gain portfolio, and if you want to jump in, and yeah, maybe Shiba Inu would be nice. So yeah, it's not really a catch-22, but yeah, it's really not bad. So we'll see how it goes. But so far, SHIB has been performing pretty well, even though there was a big dip, right? Because the entire crypto market was down. But since the crypto market is now up, maybe that's why Shiba Inu is doing well, right? But Dogecoin has been performing steadily, right? At 25 cents, 26 cents. It was down at 22, but it's still, that's, the price is sideways, consolidation. And hopefully it'll just go from there. All right. And of course, there are many other coins that are out there, guys, right? So for example, I think I had a list here. I want to show you guys the top gainers, or the biggest gainers right here. Let me show you. Let me bring this up quick. All right, so check this out. I mean, the top gainers on CoinMarketCap are BitUp, which is like 143, I don't know, about 1.1 million% up. I mean, this is crazy. For what? And then we have Flocky Gravity, then we have Infinity X, and there's Elon's Marvin, there are 100x coins, and you name it, and there's Kitty Inu, Trump coin, Dogezilla, Kaiken Shiba. So you see what's going on, right? I mean, look at all these. It's just crazy. 24-hour gains on all of these top gainers. And yeah, likewise on the right side, you see the top losers, right? Pumpkin, was a big loser. And of course, Mini Flocky, Daddy Shiba is a loser, and whatnot, right? So how do we actually evaluate, right? So we can't really just look at all this hype and say, oh, this looks good, should we buy it? No, it's not that way, guys, right? And always remember our number one rule that I've always highlighted: invest only what you're willing to lose, because crypto is a crazy world. And that's should be always kept in mind. All right, let's go back to this. I want to show you a couple of more things. Remember, Dogecoin rival meme token just hit a record high and it's close to overtaking it. We talked about this. Some key points, of course, Shiba Inu has surged 30% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, we know that, we see that. And we also know what Shiba Inu is, some of the, the differences between SHIB and Dogecoin. But why is it rallying? I think the point was brought up by Dana earlier in the comment. Crypto traders have been speculating about whether online trading firm Robinhood could add Shiba Inu to its exchange, to its platform. And if that happens, then definitely it is going to give it another boost. So believers in Shiba Inu are pushing hard for Robinhood to list the token. They have started a petition, by the way, on change.org, which has now reached more than 300,000 signatures. So there you go. That's another sort of like lobbying, right? That's what the deal is. So if there's a community that is strong enough and that is growing, exponentially, just like SafeMoon is a perfect example, right? Almost 2.8 million holders in SafeMoon. And that's exactly what happened to SafeMoon. It started off in March and boom, just this huge community took it to where it is now. And now it's a company and it's coming up with products and, it's going ways, right? So the same thing could happen to this. So that's one of the reasons why the community is now pushing. It's Robinhood on Tuesday, by the way. I mentioned this earlier, missed revenue expectations for the third quarter after a big drop in crypto trading volume. We know that. But despite the fact, it may list Shiba Inu. So that's another thing to keep in mind, by the way. All right. And that could take the price way up very fast, guys, right? Keep that in mind. All right. So let's see what else. There we go. SHIB flipped Doge with 160 million in smart money backing latest pump, blockchain data shows. So yeah, that's pretty fast. And I think the reason is because the community, right? The SHIB community is just creating this huge hype and lobbying all over the place in terms of marketing, in terms of pushing Robinhood or suggesting, through petitions, and the community is growing, right? Whereas Dogecoin community is already large, it's huge, right? So again, like I said, position your portfolio, your strategies accordingly. So if you're looking at some short-term gains, then Shiba Inu would be the correct answer. If you're looking at long-term, then of course Dogecoin is our baby, as always, just like SafeMoon and even Bitcoin. But this is something to keep in mind, that a new force behind Shiba Inu's most recent price surge is because it flipped Doge with 160 million in smart money backing. Latest pump blockchain data shows you that. All right. So let's see what else. A couple of side news here quickly. Bitcoin slips over 6. We know that it's about 59, 58 as ETF related bliss evaporates. Not a problem. It'll come back. We're not worried about that at all. SafeMoon is doing well. Let me see if I can refresh and get the current value for SafeMoon. I think I have it open here as well, which is at 3105 at CoinMarketCap, which is not bad. So SafeMoon, of course, is doing a bull run anyways, right? Which we see it, and that's just 1 day. But if you look at the 7-day, boom, it just way up here at about 30, and that's where the consolidation is now started, right? So it peaked up at about 33, 34 cents where it was last month or a couple of months ago, and then it dropped off to 30, which it's holding steady, and that's a typical pattern, right? So it's going to consolidate sideways and then hopefully then take the next jump, because if you checked out my stream yesterday, I talked about this, SafeMoon, and of course several news, so please go check that out. But today we're talking about, of course, Dogecoin and SHIB. Who is a good boy or who's a good girl? Hey, be my guest. Let me know in comments what you think about Shiba Inu and, of course, Dogecoin. All right, so a couple of tweets, by the way, or my Twitter handle. My Twitter handle, of course, is at invest_desk. So if you want to go check that out, please do so. Certainly appreciate that. But here's Elon's tweet why he supports Dogecoin. I think I mentioned this earlier, but if you want to go read the tweet, you could do so. Lots of people, Elon Musk says that I talked to on the production lines at Tesla are building rockets at SpaceX on Doge, because Dogecoin has a history, guys, right? It is not something new. It's not it's not just out of nowhere. It has a history, but that's how histories are made, because the community develops around a token, around a cryptocurrency, and then it takes the cryptocurrency to the next level. All right. So with all of these news, and of course, some, like whether it's CNBC, whether it's Forbes, whether it's Robinhood, you ought to kind of take a look at and see what's going on, right? And whether it is a wise decision, wise is the word, right? Or in a short term. So the analysis conclusion is that, yeah, if you want to invest in Shiba Inu, it seems like an okay investment, but for a short term, right? It's going to hit Robinhood, the price is going to go up. And then, of course, two things can happen. The price drops because profit taking is going to happen, or it's going to go to the next step where the community exponentially grows and it finds the utility. And if that's the case, then Shiba Inu is definitely worth the investment. And Dogecoin, of course, we know it's still our baby and still here with us. All right, so yeah, what's up with comments here? Let me get some comments here. What's going on, everybody? All right, so let's see. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are fighting each other. Yeah, it seems like it. Well, yeah, it's because SHIB community says it's a Doge killer, and Dogecoin doesn't even care, right? Because Dogecoin is Dogecoin. It's always going to be Dogecoin, guys. That's how we see it. All right. So that's all I had for today. Hopefully you found this particular research analysis interesting. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Certainly appreciate that. And if you're new, please subscribe, because InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecast. My name is Syed, and where am I? Let me bring myself up here. Boom, there we go. All right, guys. So we talked about this, and hopefully things are pretty clear. If you have a portfolio, you're looking to invest in the short term and get some gains, because Shiba Inu is going to be on Robinhood, and if that happens and the community grows exponentially, then it's going to give you some greens, all right? Whereas Dogecoin, of course, has been our baby. We've been following Dogecoin since back in February, right? When it was 4 cents, 7 cents, and that's when we bought it. So if that's the case with Dogecoin, then yeah, you hold on, we're still holding Dogecoin. We are at InvestTask, right? So with the same thing with Shiba Inu, if you want to invest and you want to keep it for a long term, not bad. Or depending on how much you want to invest and how much growth you want to experience in the short term. So do your own research. Like I say, crypto is a crazy, crazy, crazy world. Hopefully this analysis helps. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to smash that like button right here somewhere you see it, right? Certainly appreciate that. And of course, thank you all for your support and super chat, super stickers. And I can't support you guys enough. Thank you for your love and support for InvestTask. My name is Syed, and I'll see you guys